I want you to picture something that probably feels familiar. It is a Tuesday morning. Sitting in your inbox is a 70-page industry report that your manager forwarded with a note that says, "Let me know your thoughts by end of day." Or maybe it is a dense legal contract you need to review before signing, or a stack of meeting notes from the last 3 weeks that you need to consolidate into a clear action plan, or a research paper full of technical language that is directly relevant to a decision you need to make, but is going to take you 2 hours to get through properly. We are drowning in documents. The modern working world runs on text. Reports, proposals, contracts, briefs, transcripts, policies, emails, research. And the volume keeps growing while the time available to process it stays exactly the same. That gap between the documents that exist and the time available to properly engage with them is one of the most common sources of stress in professional life. This video is about closing that gap, not by reading faster, not by working longer hours, but by using AI to do the heavy lifting so that your time and attention go where they actually belong. Deciding what to do with the information, not just extracting it. The tool we are going to use for most of this is Claude. Its ability to handle long documents without losing track of detail is stronger than the alternatives. But the principles apply equally to ChatGPT, and you should try both to see which gives you better results for your specific documents. The workflow starts with a simple action. Upload your document. In Claude, there is a paperclip icon in the conversation window. Click it, select your file, PDF, Word document, text file, or just paste the content directly, and it is in. Claude can now read, process, and reason across every word of that document. From this point forward, you are not reading the document. You are having a conversation with it. The first starting point is the summary. But here is an important distinction. A good summary prompt is not just ask for a summary. The quality of what you get back is directly tied to how specific you are. A weak prompt is, summarize this document. A strong prompt is, summarize this document in 5 sentences for someone with no background in this industry, focusing on the main argument, the key evidence, and the recommended actions. The first gives you a generic overview. The second gives you something calibrated to your actual situation, and you can keep refining. After the initial summary, follow up with, what are the 5 most important points I need to remember? Then, what is the main recommendation, and what is the strongest evidence used to support it? Each follow-up narrows the focus, pulls out the specific layer of information you need, and builds a progressively clearer picture, faster than any amount of careful reading would. The second technique is targeted extraction, and this is where AI document work becomes genuinely transformative. Instead of reading through a document hoping you catch everything important, you ask directly for exactly what you need. Ask, list every deadline mentioned in this document, including the date and what it applies to. Ask, who are all the people or organizations mentioned, and what is each one's role? Ask, what are all the action items and who is responsible for each one? Ask, are there any risks or warnings mentioned, even indirectly? Ask, what assumptions does this document make that are never explicitly justified? Each of those questions takes seconds and surfaces information that a manual reader might miss or have to read the entire document twice to confidently pull together. The AI does not get tired. It does not lose focus halfway through page 43. It processes the whole thing with the same attention throughout. Here is a specific real-world scenario. Say you are reviewing a supplier contract before signing. You are not a lawyer. The document is 40 pages of dense legal language. You upload it to Claude and ask targeted questions. What are the payment terms? What are the penalties for early termination? Are there any automatic renewal clauses? What are my notice period obligations? What does this contract say about intellectual property ownership? You are not asking Claude to give you legal advice, and it will be appropriately clear that for significant legal matters you should consult a professional. But you are using it to rapidly understand what the document actually says in plain English before making a decision. The difference between going in blindly and going in with a clear AI-assisted understanding of the key terms is enormous. The third major use case is writing and editing using documents as source material. Say you have just had Claude read a long research report, and now you need to write a 2-page briefing document for your team. You say, based on this report, write a 2-page briefing for a non-technical team, covering the 3 most important findings and 1 practical recommendation for each. Claude produces a first draft in seconds. You read it, decide what needs adjusting, and give that feedback in plain English. Claude revises. You iterate until it is right. The document that might have taken 2 hours to write is done in 15 minutes, and the version you end up with reflects both the source material and your own judgment. The editing direction works just as powerfully in reverse. Paste something you have written into the conversation and ask, improve the clarity of this without changing the meaning. Or, cut this by 30% without losing any important information. Or, what questions would a critical reader have after reading this that I have not answered? The first two improve the writing itself. The last stress tests the thinking behind it. Together, they give you a level of editing support that used to require a talented colleague or writing coach, available instantly on any document. The fourth technique is translation and reformatting. Take a meeting transcript and ask, turn this into a structured set of action items with owners and deadlines. Take bullet point notes and ask, expand these into a clear professional report. Take a formal report and ask, turn this into a 5-bullet executive summary a busy person can read in 90 seconds. Every one of those transformations, which would require significant time done manually, happens in seconds. The document is the raw material. AI is the formatting and translation layer. Your job is to direct the transformation and apply your judgment to the output. One honest note before we wrap up. AI is not perfect with documents. Very large files can occasionally cause even Claude to miss details buried in the middle. For documents where every word matters, legal contracts with significant financial implications, medical documents, anything where a missed detail could have serious consequences, use AI to get oriented and identify the key points, but always have a relevant professional review the critical sections. AI document work is about making you faster and better informed, not about replacing careful human judgment on high-stakes decisions. What you now have is a practical toolkit for working with documents in a way most people around you are not yet doing. The next natural extension of this skill is research, using AI not just to process documents you already have, but to build understanding of entirely new topics quickly and effectively. That is exactly what the next video covers. Subscribe so you do not miss it, and I will see you there.